Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I want to tell you a few things. I will publish my video about paintings for my auction on Monday, and auction will be first Sunday in September. I will put all this in my community section too. So, but as you probably already hear or see, YouTube has changed some settings. So please, if you clicked the notification bell, you probably has it on personalized option. So please check, because you have three options now. You have that you want to receive all notification and personalized and or none. So please, because default is personalized, and if you have this on, you will not get all notifications from my channel. So because when I did live last time, many of you told me that you didn't get the notification. So please check your notification bell, so you will get all notifications from me. And about Flora, she's great. I did a little video, I will publish it. I probably already did in my community center to say thank you for all your prayers and good thoughts. So this is it for the beginning, and today I will do a half flower dip again, because I want to see if I can do it any better, and I will use kind of autumn colors. So let's see. And I don't have it in my squeeze bottles, so you see, it's much harder to do a line. This is my Nera. She just want to tell Flora that she's here too, and they're friends already. So I think that this was a good idea to bring a new puppy to Flora, so she has company and do all these childish things with her. So, and next I will add gold, but I want to do not as much gold as I do sometimes. So, and next will be cardinal red. It looks pink, but when it dries it's pretty red color. And I will do cadmium yellow next to it. And maybe I will add silver here in between. As you know, this silver dries almost white, so and some Bordeaux. Whoops, I didn't mean to drip here, but I already did. I will add some of this lemon yellow, and it has, you know what. And I just think that I want to do I don't know how this will work, but I just want to add some like other leaves on top. I don't know if this will work at all, but and green. This was green gold and yellow green. And I think that I will add silver here in between. And I just think I will try to do just, I don't know, kind of two little leaves here. And I will add some white here on the sides. Just spread it with my fingers just to cover my sides and edges a little bit. And let's dip this. So this time I will try to push the paint from where my center of the flower is. I don't know if this will do, but I will try. And now this part here where are these leaves, two leaves. And I think that I press this. Okay, so let's lift it. And what do we think? I think that I like it. So, whoops. I just have to turn it around that I will see it the right way and see if I get something that I like. I just don't know what is here. I'll just try to press a little here. But I like these colors and this lacing. I will show you close up. You will see. I think that it's beautiful, or I like it. I don't know, but I like it. Let's see what is left here. It's okay too, and I have a little blank spot here. Just try to fix it a little bit. I'll just pop the air bubbles here. And bring this a little to the center here. And this will be nice skin, I think. I must do video about my skins one day, because I have a lot of them, so I can show you that you can get beautiful painting out of the skin too. So I will just add this white here to get nice amount of white, because it's easier to peel it off that way. So this will be okay, I think. I just don't like this. I just don't know how I can fix this maybe, I don't know, this way. And let me show you a close-up. This is canvas. I will try to show it to you that way without a glare, or with not so much glare. I really like these lacings here, you see? It's just gorgeous. And I like these colors together. They remind me on autumn, so I think that turned out okay. And this will be a matching pair, you see? It's beautiful too. It's less lacing on the skin, but I think that they are still nice pair. So please check your notification bell so you will get notifications from me, and see you on the next one. Bye.